Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share location in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to share the location. If that person is not on the list over here, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen in a green box, tap over there, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to search for that person by typing on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner and search for their name. So I'll be just sending the location to myself over here. So over here, after you have opened the chat box of the person to whom you want to share the location to, this kind of interface will appear, and you can see there is the attachment icon available for us on the message bar guys, just beside the camera icon over here. Tap on that attachment icon, and over here you will find a bunch of options where it says the location in a green circle. Tap on the location and this kind of interface will appear. Tap on continue and tap on while using the app. And on this interface guys, either you can send your current location or you can share your live location. So in order to just share your location, tap on the send your current location over here, and this way guys the location will be shared on WhatsApp. And then guys, this is how to share a location on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.